Guys, welcome to Edisto Beach Island. Guys, we're back again. We are out here on a beautiful Friday afternoon. It's 65 degrees outside, and man, I'm gonna tell you what, I can't wait for this weekend to start. Guys, this is another one of these special weekends. Guys, it is our 16-year anniversary. Me and Brittany have been married, and what a better way to spend it than at the beach. So this weekend, we're gonna have a little bit of fun. We're gonna enjoy some relaxation by the beach. But you know, we're gonna do some fishing. And guys, we got a lot of good stuff. We're gonna do some more shakedown runs on the drone. We got a new rod and reel we're gonna be setting up, trying out. Water temp right now, 64 degrees, a huge jump from when you saw our video over at Huntington Beach the other week where it was 45 degrees, and today it's 64 degrees on. So hopefully we'll see a little bit. The water is churned up a good bit. It is milk, chocolate milk, I should say. You can see the blue water way off, but yeah, as of right now, we're gonna see, hoping for some whiting, and then we will hopefully get on some other big stuff later once I get some bait, starting with some fresh dead shrimp. Guys, also, you know, I had to bring in the big guns. I know you hear me, but you don't see me, but I had to bring my FishGum. Guys, we got the new Conquina Crush, brought along the flea clips, and always my trusty Atomic Yabby. So we're gonna be baiting up with these today. And not only that, guys, we're gonna talk about reusable ice cubes. If anything, y'all know I hate dealing with ice. That is one thing right there, but we are using this new Zero Ice. It's refreezable, it's got filtered water inside, and I no longer have to worry about the inside of my cooler getting my FishGum wet. There might be a little condensation, but it's not melted water, which is amazing. So I've got it in my angle cooler. We're gonna get baited up, and we're gonna get some fish here caught soon. Oh, big rod. Up. Hey, orange rod. Keep an eye on it, Willow. Oh yeah, there's something on there. What we got? Oh yeah, got some whiting. All right, check it, Willow. That's what we're looking for. There we go. First fish of the season, guys. Got us a small whiting. That right there was caught on the Ghost Appetit from Hooked On Reelin, and the new FishGum Conquina Crush. So sweet. We're gonna keep this bad boy. All right. Now got into a little thing of whitings there.
I'm a baby though.
That's all right.
I found a seashell when I came down
here. Well, good.
Y'all having a lot of good luck?
We are.
Yeah.
What you guys fishing for?
Well, yeah.
I have a 10-year-old, so I know how anything that will bite. Absolutely.
All righty, got us another. Oh, flying fish, fish on the deck. All right, y'all. We just got some fresh whiting, which is great. You know what that means? We get to go out deep. So, guys, if you've been following on my Facebook page, you know we recently just redid this reel. I now have 390 yards of braid on here versus the 150 that I had prior to, which allowed us only to go so far. So, with that being said, we are going to tie on our Rouge Reelz bull drum rig. Now, with whiting and the size I got, this is perfect size. We're gonna tie it on to here and get it out in the ocean. All right, strong, nice knot on there. Now, this is a 60-pound braid from Mad Cats. And then we have the bull drum rig here. Now this is an 8/0 hook, and we're gonna we're gonna fly out a 7-ounce sinker guy Sputnik. Now with the current being the way it is, it may end up being 14 ounces, cause that's what we end up having to do at Huntington, because the current is ripping, and it is here big time today. All right, well, we've got the rod and reel ready to set up. We got some fresh cut up whiting. We got our 7-ounce sinker guy. I've got the XPC's drone ready to go, and guys, we're fixing to fly this out. All right, now that we're set up, guys, we want to make sure we get the cable set up. Now I'm running the Rouge Reelz drone cable drops. Now these right here are heavy duty. I left my other one at the house, so thankfully Rob sent me a few extra. So we're gonna get these set up and fly on out. All right, y'all. Now, as you can tell, once we're hooked up, guys, this end is gonna go over here. Now you can simply, if you're doing it one-handed like me, take it, loop it in, grab your controller, flip the switch. I'm trying to get this close so y'all see it.
Payload closed.
You'll hear the payload is closed, and now this is ready to be dropped. And since I'm doing all this solo, make sure if you're not comfortable, have a friend help, guys. Brittany and Willow have went back up to the camper for a little bit, so I'm gonna take my time doing this, but we're gonna send this on out and get it in.
Ready to fly.
All right, we are currently at 232 meters. All right, we're gonna drop the bait.
Payload released.
And we're just gonna push the come home button. All right.
GPS low speed.
All right, guys, so y'all saw we got that out that far. Not sure what's gonna bite. Right now we got it out 230 some odd yards, which is probably about 250 feet. I'm sorry, let me say that again. We have it out 230 something meters, which is about 250 something yards. So we'll see. I'm gonna pull in the rest of these rods, check out our bait, and then we'll see if something grabs along. What we got? Just a little old feller. Yep. There we go. All right. What we got? Oh, little old baby. Not the monster I'm after. All right, y'all, well, we ain't got nothing else. Bite's kind of slowed down. I got one shark on another rod. On the Ghost Appetit, I cut up some little tail of a whiting, threw it out and got him. So ain't nothing bit on this. This one's 390 yards out right now. It's the full spool. Guys, make sure you pay attention because I about messed up. But got it, saved it. So I'm gonna pull this on in. I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of this evening with my wife, enjoy 16 years of marriage together. Gonna cook up 2 big old ribeyes I got from the saltwater market down in Clover, South Carolina. So I'll throw a picture right here of what that looks like cooked up. So yeah, we're gonna enjoy this evening and we'll see you first thing in the morning. Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to a gorgeous Saturday morning here on Edisto Beach. Guys, I'm a little behind this morning. Unfortunately, last night I took a tumble down our camper stairs and rolled the fire out of my ankle, which is about the size of a baseball right now.